Hi guys, it's me Ella and welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog is very spontaneous because I did not plan to vlog at all, but sorry, I can't focus because I'm looking at this pimple on my face. I'm having a breakout, guys. Anyways, this vlog is going to be a little bit spontaneous. Usually I start my vlog during the day, but today is, being spontaneous. So I started my vlog in the evening. So good evening. Now I am going to cook some dinner. But first I want to show you what I got from the market, which is just orange and strawberries. I just want to do the haul, I've been meaning to do it. I already had a strawberry and it's delicious. So what I'm going to cook for dinner tonight is just omelette and some fish meatballs. Some fish balls. Not going to cook anything difficult tonight because I'm tired and I'm lazy, so we're just doing something simple. Guys, update. So I got everything out, but I don't have any egg. I forgot that I don't have any egg, but I'm going to make an omelette, so I need an egg. So let's go get some egg. We got eggs. Finally, huh? We got eggs, so now I can cook and eat my omelette for dinner. Ella, you have to be more present and concentrate more. Damn, so I won't forget things like this, so things like this won't happen. Dinner is served, you guys. I have so many spreads here. I got white rice and my omelette, my fish balls, some veggies and fish sauce, to add more in case it's not salty enough. And gang tai pa is Thai spicy sauce. I don't know what to call in English. It's not really sauce, but yeah, something like this. Guys, this is the moment of happiness to just eat my food, and especially it's the food that you cooked it yourself. I'm happy. Just had my dinner and it was so freaking yummy. Now I'm going to do some cleaning so that tomorrow I can wake up to a clean space, because when you cook, you kind of create a little bit of a mess. Just made myself a peppermint tea. I love drinking peppermint tea or chamomile tea before bed because they really soothe my nerves. I am not sure what the reason is, but I'm just sure that it's good for you. I'll just look it up and put the benefits here. Take a sip. Oh, Just hit my teeth. Oh God, that is heaven. That is heavenly, baby. This is like my most favorite time of the day, to just sit on a couch and have a tea and watch a TV. It's this simple, you guys, to make me happy. I am so grateful that I'm feeling so good today. I'm feeling so good. I'm feeling very well that I was so inspired to vlog. This past week has been so rough for me. I was kind of like, dealing with personal stuff. I couldn't wait to get out of it. It was that bad. And now here I am, feeling better, being able to enjoy my life again. And I can do this not because I ignore my emotions, my feelings, my problems. No, baby, I faced them. I faced all of them. I went through the storm and now I am on the other side. So if you are going through some stuff and you really can't see the way out, trust me, okay? Trust me, baby, that you just have to face it. And then there's the light at the end of the tunnel. Enough yapping. Now I'm just gonna watch some TV and relax. Tomorrow is going to be fun because I am meeting up with my friends. Hey guys, good morning. I'm feeling a little bit tired because I stayed up a little bit late last night, around midnight. That's late for me. I just got ready to meet my friends. I'm leaving soon in like 10 minutes or so. And this is like the fit. I just want to do some fit check for you guys. Can you guys see? Oh! Struggling. Yeah, it's this like cute fluffy outfit and I'm pairing it with these slippers. So cute. We are so thirsty that we stopped by this smoothie stand. Is this a stand or a shop? I would say a shop. I got myself a mango smoothie and my friends.
Hello, 大家好。
What you got? ได้อะไรอันนี้อะไรคะ
买草莓啊 strawberry。
อันนี้อะไรคะ
strawberry ปั่นโยเกิร์ตจ้ะ
Yeah.
ไม่เอา
we speaking like multi languages here, so
好吃好喝
so whoever understand this, you understand it, okay? Because I don't know Chinese, so we speaking Thai too, so it's very confusing. So whatever. That looks so good. That is like bigger than my face, guys. so cute. Look at that. Okay guys, update. After dinner, we made it to the bar and we're just gonna chill.